Hey there, English explorers. Welcome back to Outloud Speaker, where learning English gets loud, fun, and real. Today's episode might actually surprise you. We're diving into something that no one really talks about, but you need to hear it. You've been learning English the wrong way. Let me explain. Most learners spend years studying grammar, memorizing vocabulary lists, doing textbook exercises. But when it's time to speak, they freeze. They translate in their heads. They feel stuck. Sound familiar? That's because most people study English instead of using it. Here's the truth no one tells you. Fluency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from confidence. You don't become a great speaker by waiting to be ready. You get fluent by speaking now, mistakes and all. Every fluent speaker you admire once sounded silly. That's how we all start. So, what can you do differently? Here are 3 powerful things you can start today. 1. Talk to yourself in English, out loud. Describe what you're doing. Make English part of your daily thinking. 2. Listen to real content, not to understand every word, but to absorb the rhythm and flow of English. 3. Record your voice or join speaking groups. Hearing yourself builds awareness and confidence. Yes, it might feel awkward at first, but awkward is where growth begins. Now let me give you a quick challenge. Record yourself saying 3 sentences about your day. No script. No pressure. Just speak. Then listen back. Notice your tone, your confidence. Not your mistakes. You're not bad at English. You've just been learning it in a way that doesn't match real life. It's time to change that. Thanks for tuning in to Outloud Speaker. Follow the podcast, leave a review, and share this episode with a friend who needs to hear it. And remember, speak boldly, speak out loud. See you next time.